This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 6, 2022. It's currently August 18th, 2022, 8:36 p.m. That's Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the day is there's a notable trade opportunity here. There's also what appears to be rotation along a key support level on a multi-day chart. Increasing with bullish sentiment possibly in towards the end of the day. We'll have to look into that, but it's a rotation along support. Behavior around the high, there's a rally that increases with momentum moving into the high. The behavior around the low, there's a critical price level, technical price level that's highlighted around the low. However, it's mollified, so it may not be relevant in some way. We'll see how it gets counteracted here. Appears to be sideways fluctuation in the pre-market along support. We have equal amounts of bulls and bears, inflow and outflow, and then that turns into a decline around the open. There's a notable drop to meet a low, prominent low or crest there, or excuse me, trough there for the day. And then it looks like we have a bit of a rally out of the open to create a crest or high here for the day, and then we decline from that crest to and through support, and then we turn around and we reuse that as support. Matter of fact, it looks like that move to create a high is likely around 10 o'clock. There may be a holding pattern here between 10 and 11. Congress is likely highlighted, and there's a trade opportunity towards, like, let's say 10:45-ish. Between 11 and 12, we revisit a past problem. There's this flight to safety through a important support level. Between 12 and 1, we have a failed attempt to break through key resistance on a one-day chart, followed by a decline through key support on a one-day chart. It's disappointing because most people are. It's going to look like, well, we would expect us to break through the resistance at this level, and it's disappointing because we don't. This is also erratic behavior here, like an M shape back and forth through the same price level. Advised to be very cautious between 1 and 2, multiple false tops or multiple false bottoms, or some sort of tricky chart behavior here that would make me do the wrong thing, so I won't trade here between these. However, there is a trade opportunity at that failed attempt to break through key resistance midday. And then again, we revisit that past, we revisit that earlier opportunity at a crest here between 2 and 3-ish, in the midst of some erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. In the last hour, there is a selling from overbought territory on RSI, and right around the close, we have some bumping along resistance level, a fake out in the post market, a big move in, the following day on the 7th, my friends. And that's the S&P 500 for the 6th of October 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget about that rule of karma, my friends. Support the channel by paying a little bit of that profit back. Gratitude begets gratitude, my friends. We work really hard to get this free content to you guys. So another way that you can really help us out is by spreading the word and sharing this video with people that you think it would help. With that said, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.